Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Grammarly. This is particularly useful if you write in multiple languages or need Grammarly to check your grammar according to a specific language's rules. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.grammarly.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be taken directly to your Grammarly dashboard where all your documents are stored and displayed. Now that you're in the dashboard and your documents have loaded up, we can begin the process of changing your language settings. Look over to the left navigation menu on your screen. Here you'll find several options for managing your Grammarly account. Click on Account, and this will redirect you to your account settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Grammarly experience. From the account settings page, you'll see your profile overview with all your basic information displayed. Take another look at the left navigation menu, and this time click on Writing. This section contains all the settings related to how Grammarly analyzes and checks your writing. Once you click on Writing, a left side menu will slide up, revealing additional options. From these options, click on Language Settings. This is where you'll be able to control which language Grammarly uses to check your work. Now you're in the Language Settings area. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Primary Language. Simply click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with a list of available languages that Grammarly supports. Scroll through the options and select the language you wish to use. Once you select your preferred language, Grammarly will automatically adjust its grammar and spelling checks to match the rules and conventions of that specific language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Grammarly, and now the tool will check your writing according to the grammar rules of your selected language. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.